Choosing the right web hosting provider can feel overwhelming, especially when there are so many options out there today. But today, I'm going to make things easier by comparing two of the most popular hosting providers, Hostinger and Bluehost. With their Black Friday deals in full swing, both hosting giants are offering massive discounts on their plans, making it the perfect time to secure premium hosting at a fraction of the cost. Whether you're a beginner, building your first website, a small business owner looking to create an online presence, or an experienced developer managing multiple sites, having a reliable and affordable hosting provider is essential. Hostinger and Bluehost both promise high performance, excellent support, and robust features, but which one gives you the best value for your money? In this video, we're going to cover everything you need to know, including what Hostinger and Bluehost are and what makes them unique, a breakdown of their key features, and insights on their Black Friday pricing and promotions, and how you can secure the best deal right now. You want to make sure you stick around because I'm going to show you how you can get the best price possible using our exclusive discount code. Let's dive in. So what are Hostinger and Bluehost? Both Hostinger and Bluehost are renowned web hosting providers trusted by millions of users worldwide. They offer a range of hosting solutions tailored to meet the needs of individuals, small businesses, and even large enterprises. Let's start off with the key features of Hostinger. Hostinger was established with the vision of making premium hosting affordable for everyone. Known for its budget-friendly pricing, high-speed performance, and intuitive user experience, Hostinger is a go-to choice for beginners and professionals. One of Hostinger's standout features is its custom H-panel, which simplifies the process of managing your website. It's ideal for users who want a smooth, no-fuss experience without compromising on power or reliability. Whether you're launching a personal blog, building an online portfolio, or creating an e-commerce store, Hostinger offers scalable plans to fit your goals. Bluehost, on the other hand, has built its reputation as a WordPress recommended hosting provider. Bluehost is a favorite among bloggers, small business owners. Bluehost has a focus on performance and ease of use, and it offers a range of tools to help users create and manage their website effectively. Its integration with cPanel features make it especially appealing for those who prioritize flexibility and robust support. Bluehost also stands out for its commitment to providing reliable uptime and solid customer support through 24/7 live chat and phone services. While both providers excel in different areas, their Black Friday deals make them even more competitive. Let's break them down and see what sets them apart. Starting off with the key features of Hostinger. Performance. Hostinger leverages Lightspeed web servers and SSD storage to deliver blazing fast loading times and top-tier performance. These features are especially beneficial for improving SEO rankings and user experience. User-friendly H-panel. Hostinger's custom H-panel is intuitive, clean, and designed with simplicity in mind. Tasks like managing domains, installing WordPress, and setting up email accounts are straightforward and easy, making it ideal for beginners. Security features. Every plan includes a free SSL certificate, ensuring your website is encrypted and secure for visitors. Hostinger also provides advanced DDoS protection and daily backups to keep your data safe from threats or loss. Global data centers. Hostinger has data centers in multiple locations worldwide, optimizing website and speed and performance for international audiences. This makes it a great choice for businesses targeting global customers. 24/7 customer support. Hostinger's live chat support is available around the clock, staffed by knowledgeable agents who can help resolve technical issues quickly. One-click WordPress installation. Hostinger's simplified installation process makes launching a WordPress site effortless. You can get your site up and running in just a few minutes. Developer-friendly tools. Advanced users can take advantage of features like SSH access and custom cron jobs for streamlined workflow and customization. Next, let's go over the key features of Bluehost. Bluehost is also optimized for WordPress hosting, ensuring reliable uptime and strong performance. Its infrastructure is designed to handle websites with significant traffic without compromising speed. User-friendly interface. Bluehost integrates cPanel with its custom dashboard, offering flexibility and advanced tools for those who want more control over their hosting environment. Enhanced security. Every plan comes with a free SSL certificate to protect your visitors' data. Bluehost also includes daily backups, domain privacy, and malware scanning for comprehensive security. WordPress integration. Bluehost is recommended by WordPress and offers seamless integration with tailored features like automatic updates, staging environments, and a specialized WordPress dashboard. E-commerce support. Bluehost makes setting up an online store easy with WooCommerce, specific hosting plans, and pre-installed WooCommerce tools for faster setup. 24/7 customer support. Bluehost provides live chat and phone support around the clock. Their team is particularly skilled at helping WordPress users navigate setup, plugins, and troubleshooting. Marketing tools. Bluehost includes free ad credits for platforms like Google Ads and Bing, helping you kickstart your online marketing efforts. Scalability. Bluehost offers easy plan upgrades as your website grows, ensuring your hosting can keep up with increased traffic and demands. Now, let's get into the pricing and plans, especially with this limited time Black Friday deals. If you want to get started with Hostinger, make sure you click our exclusive link in the description description below to get access to this limited time Black Friday deal. Let's go ahead and take a look at the different plans. So as you can see right now, they're having their biggest ever Black Friday sale, up to 85% off web hosting, and you can start for just $1.95 per month plus 2 months free. Let's go ahead and take a look at the different options. Before I get into the different plans, the cool thing about Hostinger is they do have a 30-day money back guaranteed. So if you don't feel like this is the right fit for you after 30 days, you can get your money back. But let's go ahead and take a look at the premium plan first. So again, this is up to 85% off, and you can start for $1.95 a month. And this is for a 48-month term, plus you get 2 months free. With this plan, you get 100 websites, managed WordPress hosting, 25,000 visits monthly, free email, weekly backups, unlimited bandwidth, as well as a free domain, and so much more. This plan is packed with features. Moving on to the business plan, and this is the most popular. So this is $295 a month, and you're saving about 80% off, and this is again for a 48-month term, but you also get the 2 months free. In this business plan, you get 100 websites, managed WordPress hosting, everything you get with the premium plan, but you also get free CDN, WordPress AI tools, WordPress staging tools, and so much more. Moving into the cloud startup, you can save 70% off of this plan, so it's $759 a month, and this is again for a 48-month term, but you also get the 2 months free as well. So this plan, you get 300 websites, managed WordPress hosting, 200,000 visits monthly, 200 gigabytes of storage, unlimited free SSL, free email, and so much more. But you also get a dedicated IP address as well as priority support with this plan. So again, make sure you take advantage of this plan, but I'm going to show you how to save even more money off this plan. So we'll go ahead and choose this. We're going to go ahead and stick with the 48 months, but if you want to save even more off of either of these plans, go ahead and type in my first website in the coupon code and you will get even more off. Next, let's go ahead and take a look at Bluehost plans and what they have to offer for Black Friday. So again, if you want to get started, go ahead and click our exclusive link in the description so you get the best deal possible, and it will bring you to this page right here. As you can see, they have a ton of different options as well. Starting off with the basic plan, this is 75% off starting at $199 a month, and you get access to 10 websites, 10 gigabytes of storage, ideal for 40K visits a month. You also get a pro email free trial, free SSL, free CDN, 24/7 chat, and so much more. With each of these plans, you also get a 30-day money back guaranteed as well. So again, if it's not the right fit for you and you figure that out after 30 days, you can get your money back. Moving on to Choice Plus. This is ideal for multiple sites needing storage, security, and backups. With this plan, you can save 81% off, and this is $265 per month. With this plan, you get 50 websites, 50 gigabytes of storage, ideal for 200K visits a month, AI site creation tools, free SSL, 24/7 chat, as well as daily website backups the first year free, and so much more. Moving on to the online store plan. This is great for online selling because e-commerce tools are built in. With this plan, you can save 67%, and this starts at $625 a month. With this plan, you get 50 websites, 50 gigabytes of storage. You get everything that you get with the Choice Plus, but you also get WooCommerce auto install. It's great for e-commerce. Moving on to the Pro plan, and this will save you 52%, and it starts at $999 per month. This is perfect for high traffic, advanced storage, security, and backups. So with this plan, you get 100 websites, 100 gigabytes of storage, ideal for 400K visits per month, everything you get with the online. So this plan is similar to the Choice Plus, but you get more websites, and this is ideal for more visits a month. So again, if you want to claim these limited time Black Friday deals, make sure you click our exclusive link in the description. And if Hostinger is your choice, you want to make sure you're typing in my first website at checkout to save even more. Both of these Black Friday deals are incredible, but it looks like Hostinger is the clear winner, especially saving extra money with our My First Website discount. But both have amazing deals right now. If you're ready to decide between Hostinger and Bluehost, the links are in the description to lock in these incredible Black Friday deals. Just want to say that these are affiliate links, which means we do earn a small commission at no extra cost to you. So if you do choose to use our links, we just want to thank you in advance. I hope this video helped you decide which hosting provider aligns best with your needs and budget. If you have any questions, please feel free to drop a comment or question below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss a video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.